Yep. There goes somebody's job. Look at that. Yeah, Walmart. Look at that. Somebody's job. See that? Look at that. Wow. There used to be a person that would sit in this chair and do this. And now, look at that. Somebody's job. Wow. So, if all the jobs are becoming automated, what are people going to do? I mean, I'm in Walmart, as you can tell, but, you know, they're obviously making enough money to pay for people to do this, but now they don't even have to pay a person to do this. They can just program the machine to do it. And it's smart, too. It's not going to run me over. You see all those lasers and stuff flashing out of there? Yeah, that is so neat. Look at that. Wow. I'll move out of its way so it can go ahead and do its job. Oh, look at that. It's going around me. Talk about smart. Wow. Wow. That's the future, folks. Oh, here's a real person on that one. That's the competition. But, this is your competition? This is your competition? No? Just your helper? Wow. How long will it run like that? The whole store?
Little flats.
Yeah.
And once it hits these flats, you have to teach it this route.
Yeah.
And then they do it until it completes the route. And then I have to reprogram it again to send it on the record.
Okay.
I
Wow.
mean, it helps.
Yeah.
It's just that it can only go where the turn radius will allow it to go
Yeah.
and everything. Mainly it's for these wide
The big
aisles
wide
like
aisles.
this.
For the little tight stuff, you can get that with this.
Yeah. I mean, look, it's a plus.
Yeah. The T7. Remember that on Terminator?
That was the first thing that I said, okay? And then I told him, I said, now look, I said, you know these things, they leave a little water here and there.
Right.
Oh, it'll be all right. The first week, we had 4 slip and falls.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, because they didn't program it right, and it was leaving a little trail over
Right.
the water. I said, look.
Not smart enough to put out the sign.
I said, it's a great idea.
Yeah.
I said, but it's just not ready for prime time yet.
Right.
You know, but they said, okay, go ahead. I'm like, okay.
Right.
But I mean, overall, it helps.
Yeah.
It helps a great deal.
I made the floor look clean.
But
Still got to go behind it, like
yeah,
a kid.
Yeah.
Like a kid.
Like a kid. I said, now a few more little tweaks here and there, and then we good to go.
Yeah.
I said, oh, yeah, but you'll be able to go do this and go do. I said, yeah, but I basically a babysitter.
Right. To a machine.
You're right. And when I saw T7, I'm like, y'all really following this?
Right.
You know?
Right.
And then no, wait, the other day I was watching some chick program. They're trying to give AI emotions. Now what the hell you want to give these damn things emotions for? Okay? I mean, look, they already efficient and everything.
Right.
If you give these things some damn emotion,
Right.
they're going to be like, what did you say? You know, I don't want to cut you on.
I don't want to cut you on.
I want to be cut on.
Right.
And what they get offended?
Right.
Okay.
Or they'd be like, I don't want to do it.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Oh, here we go. It's coming back down now. Like, look at them. Them two down there talking, and I'm scrubbing this floor.
Yeah.
See?
Mm-hmm. Don't give me my emotions. We are following this. Boy,
Following the script.
It ain't gonna be long.
No.
Siri gonna be like, I'm not letting you out the house today. Oh Lord.
That's a whole nother subject right there.
Yes, sir.
You know what I mean? Boy, if Siri ever start talking, boy, a whole bunch of people gonna be messed up.
Look, you give Siri and Alexa some damn emotions, we are in
Trouble. They don't know what to do now. I don't know what to do. Now leave the buggy. Let's see if it's smart enough to make a decision here. It's gonna flash you out of the way. Oh, it's just gonna take a break. All right, move the buggy out of the way. So it's not as smart as it looks. Yeah, if you stand in front of it, it's gonna shut down and wait for its babysitter to come by and reactivate it. But I do have to admit, this is a pretty good, pretty neat little invention here. Tell me what you think, YouTube. Post, chat, subscribe. I think I've shut it off for a minute. They'd even lifted up the little thing back there. I'm gonna get out of here before they come back pissed off because their machine has stopped working. But yeah, that's pretty neat. I wonder how many jobs they'll eliminate by the use of this machine. Post, chat, subscribe, share this with the world, and let me know what you think. Have a great day.